Hello, it's Christine Trainer talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. I hope you're having a good evening or afternoon, morning, wherever you might be. I'm inside today because the weather is not 100% out there and I had to do this inside. But that's okay because I'm still here to chat with you. And as I continue on, my tips and strategies of online marketing is I've been working online fairly safe for the past 2 years. I thought I'd share something interesting today. So stay to the end of the video because I have some good information and some proof to share with you as well. It's interesting. I'm going to share with you 4 tips and maybe a couple of bonus ones, steps or tips to help achieve success online, to help you get started. So why don't we go to the next segment as I have something interesting as well as fun to share with you today. Let's carry on, shall we? Hello. I'm back with this next segment. It's Christine Trainer, of course, talking to you from New Westminster, British Columbia, Canada. And of course, I welcome you to my channel again as I continue on my tips and strategies in online marketing, since I've been in online marketing for the past 2 years and have really amassed some really good tips and strategies. So, and that being said, you're probably fairly new to my channel. So let me give you a little quick skinny about me. I'm 60 years old. I was born in British Columbia, Canada. I was brought up in Ontario, but I moved back here to British Columbia, Canada, where I live now. Now, I've amassed a variety of jobs in my lifetime. I worked at McDonald's. I worked at Orange Julius. I was actually a manager of one particular Orange Julius. I worked in a department store. I worked in a jewelry shop. I worked in a gift shop. I actually looked after 6 kids for 3 years. I was doing some daycare. I worked in a sheet metal shop for 8 years, and that was fun, guys. I was a sheet metal worker, as well as I worked in. I sold papers, like when you used to when you did on-call call-in selling papers instead of doing it online now. You know, in those days, I did that as well. I also did a variety of different little things where when I was 16 years old, the very first job I actually had was I actually did deliver papers. That was my first real job. But over the years, I've had quite a few jobs, amassed quite a few jobs. I also worked at Kenny Rogers Roaster, where I was a manager there once, shift manager once, but that was way back in a while back. Like I said, a variety of jobs until about 14 years ago when I really enjoyed the job I was working with my sister Vicky in Vancouver, west of me. And that was, I worked in direct marketing for about 4 or 5 years. And that's why I got the taste of enjoying about direct marketing and marketing itself. Now, that being said, I did that for a few years until I got a little ill when I was 50 a number of years ago, and I had to work on my health, and I hadn't worked for a few years. Now, when I was between 58 and 55 to 58, I decided I wanted to really change my life. I wanted to go back into the workforce because my health was getting better. And I tried, guys, to work. You see something sticking out here. I tried to get some work, but even Walmart wouldn't hire me. I had really good skills, but they said because of my age, I couldn't get any work. And that was Walmart, even the dollar store. So I decided that I wanted to work at home. That was one of my passion. I had a goal and passion, shall we say. This is the topic of my, basically, of my video today. I had a goal and a passion. I wanted to basically work online, right? And I knew that was where it is, even 2 years ago, even further, right? To work online, to earn an income online. And that's what I wanted to do, because I figured by the time I retired, I'll still be able to work online and earn a decent income for my husband and I, right? Because now that I'm 60. So I started that 2 years ago. I sold about $350 worth of jewelry, got started, guys, and I've been doing it ever since. And this was my goal, to achieve a dream, a vision to achieve, to work online, to make some decent income, to retire well. That's what my real true goal is. That was basically my why to get started, shall we say. And I really enjoyed it. I've had some setbacks where I've lost some money, about $15,000 all told this past couple of years with a variety of programs I was on. But you know what? I tell you this now. I'm really fortunate right now. Like about 3.5 months ago, I started a new program, which I'll share with you later. But here's my topic today. My topic today is basically this. I really want to share this today. It is 4 tips or steps to help achieve success online, how you can get started. Because believe it or not, guys, I have this particular quote in my head, and I'm going to share it. The harder you work for something, the greater you feel when you have achieved it. Dream it, believe it, build it. That's kind of my theme today, so to speak, right? And through our life, through a personal life, through all our life, our personal life, through even a workaday life, or through our careers, we always want to achieve and set down goals and a passion, right? We have a passion we want to achieve. We have a goal or a dream. And sometimes it's hard to really achieve that. So here, I really want to share these 4 tips, because to achieve success in your life, the first thing you need to do, the first tip, is to write down the goal and the dream that you want to achieve. Maybe 5 years time, you're setting it down, you're writing it down, and put it somewhere. Maybe put it on a vision board, because I love vision board, guys, and have it there in front of you on a daily basis. Then you know that's the dream that you are wanting to achieve. Makes sense, right? And the second one is, write down the goals you want to set aside to get started on your dream, what you need to start on. It could be from a program you want to get started on, to the income you need to get started with it. All these things you need to achieve, you have to write down and have them there in front of you. Kind of like you get started, almost like a daily method of operation. That's the good thing to start on, right? And number 3, set the ball rolling. Get started on your dream. Get out of your comfort zone and get started. Starting on a new program, get started on a new mentor, get it started. Don't just sit on the sidelines, get started. Because once you get out of your comfort zone and you get started, and I know it's hard, guys, getting out of your comfort zone, it can be scary and you can be terrified. But you know what? The exhilaration of getting started and getting the ball rolling can be even more powerful, right? And number 4, of course, be consistent, guys. Be consistent. Don't just get started and then just say, oh my God, this is too hard. Keep doing it on a daily basis. Each day, work on it, and work on it. Continue on working on everything that you're trying to achieve, working on your goals. And this way, you are going to achieve the success you want. And of course, the fifth one I want to share, a little 5th bonus one I want to share, is as you get started and you become consistent, get with the program that's going to help you the most. A program that's going to help you become successful at what you want to do online, right? And this is where I want to share with you my proof as well as my information. I, 3.5 months ago, was a little bit disheveled because I was sticking to my goals and what I was doing, but the income was fading a little bit. I was having problems with the programs I was on, until a program came my way with a beautiful person named Amanda Wright. She created Successful Solution Method. And I decided I'm going to get started, because she's an amazing person, a wonderful 6-figure earner, an amazing mentor, a beautiful coach. Oh, kudos, Amanda. I love her. And she started this beautiful program. And this program is a digital marketing program as well as a training platform. And what it does is help newbies as well as seasoned marketers get started. Like the seasoned marketers who really need to get more oomph, or shall we say they want to get, shall we say, what's the word I want to say? They want to build their business even further. They want to take the next step to get the business on the ball even better. Maybe their income isn't doing too well. This is an excellent program because it's a task-based program. It's based on doing simple tasks on a daily basis to earn income, a residual income, as well as when we share our link out, we are getting people to partner to be part of this wonderful community of Successful Solution Method too. And newbies are great because they can start the ball rolling. They can take these 4 steps and get started in this new program, right? Says it in itself. Now, I want to share with you when I talked about setting goals. And in Successful Solution Method, when we have a variety of tasks, we also have what we call a daily method of operation, telling you all the different wonderful tasks and goals we need to achieve every day. And we check mark them every time we do them. And this is a good thing to have, because this is how we can become more successful when we are building our business online, especially through Facebook, because we're barely gearing towards Facebook. And I think it also can work for LinkedIn, because I'm on LinkedIn as well, and I have gathered a really nice following on LinkedIn too. So I would say if you're on a decent platform and you're using this and you know it's going to work, it's amazing. And I want to share that with you today because it's a blessing for me, because I've earned really well in this past 3.5 months. And I'm going to share with you, I'll share a screen of the income I'm earning, because I get paid through PayPal, of the money that I'm actually earning through Successful Solution Method, because I take these daily tasks these goals that I achieve every day to achieve my goal of building my business aligned to branding myself. Because remember, people connect with people. And I'm actually doing this, guys. I'm actually taking this, and you can see I'm check marking them off. They're Monday to Sunday, and I have the date. And it's a wonderful thing that I'm using right now. Because what it's doing is it's giving me the idea of doing these tasks on a daily basis. I earn while I do these tasks. I'm sharing out the link. People are partnering and becoming part of this community, and they're seeing the difference. They're earning. We're winning on a daily basis because we're doing it together as a community. So I'm going to share with you the income I'm actually earning. So let me sort of do a share screen here. Let's see, we'll share screen here. I'm going to to my PayPal, my lovely friends. So let me go to my PayPal. So here's my PayPal. Okay, I get paid through PayPal, and I'm going to show the activity. Let me get to the activity here. Oh, what happened? I'm going to give you the past 90 days of how much I've been earning. Okay, does it show? Oh, I'm going to pass 90 days because 90 days because I started in the middle of June and I started earning income. And I'm going to tell you here we are here. Mandarai, of course, she shares with me. Let me do here. Let me just say the payments received. I'm just giving you received there. That's a bit better, guys. I want to share this with you as well. And here you go. See, I started earning on June 27th, 350 to 50. And it goes July 3rd, July 17th. You'll see it very steady. 350, 250, 450, 200, 500, 550, 200, August 22nd, 450, September the 11th, 315, because, you know, it has to do with the difference. But basically, all told, this is 3,000. Oh, pardon me. This is, yeah, $3,085 I've earned and 56 cents I've earned with Successful Solution Method. And now I just got to notice the other day, I'm going to receive another 450, and it's only Tuesday so far, right? So I'm going to be earning, and we don't get paid till Friday. So 450 and more to come. And I'll share with you where I received that. I get a message from I get a message from Amanda Rai, who is the creator, and she shares with me income that's coming my way. Now let me do a new share here. I'll go to my page, of course. I want to share my page as well. I'm going to go to my, let me go to my, I share it on what we do. That's one of the tasks we do. When we do this, we share it on our storyline. I'm going to share the 3 notices that I received, okay? And I also want to share some things that we do on the storyline. This is my storyline, and I want to share, of course, my notices. 200, 150, 150, and 100. That is what I'm earning, and that's the music, because I earned 450 so far this week. That was in one day. Amazing, right? I love it, guys. I thought I'd share that with you today, because that is payment proof of what I'm earning so far, as well as when I share with you my PayPal too. If you write down your goals you want to achieve, guys, and you write down the goal and the vision you want to achieve, and you set it aside, you write down the goals and you want to get started on that, you take action when you start on a program, and you become consistent and you keep going, you're going to start to achieve success online, especially with this program, Successful Solution Method. It's really helped me amazingly well since I started 3.5 months ago. As I share with you my income I have earned, it's been amazing. Now it's $3,805 so far, and now this added 450 will give me about a little over 3,500. And counting, because it's only Tuesday yet so far. So this is the share I want to give you today, that if you take those simple steps that I have shared with you and incorporate it into a good program like Successful Solution Method, you'll start as a newbie online or a seasoned marketer, and you'll get the ball rolling. You'll become more successful in achieving a work-at-home business at home, especially online. And that's where it is as well. So I hope this gave you some value. I really wanted to share this with you today, because I'm here to share tips and strategies online marketing to those seasonal marketers as well as newbies who want to get started to work online. So down below in this description below, I have the, of course, Successful Solution link. Click on the link, check it out, be a part of this beautiful community. We are earning 1,000 members so far and counting, and it's getting further even more. It's an amazing, beautiful platform I'm on. I'm proud to be a part of it, and earning income now finally after 2 years of hardly making any money. Because I saw my dream, I saw my goal, I wrote down my goals, I continued on, I was steady, I got the ball rolling. Even when I had the hardships, I found successful solution method. I started to apply with my daily method of operation every single day. I do these every day, and now I'm earning income with successful solution method. It's an amazing task-based program. We're all winning. And of course, the link to our Facebook group is there as well. Join it. Really see the wonderful testimonies, because there's many more people that are earning as well as me in successful solution method. It's amazing. And be a part of that community as well. And if you have any more questions, and I can share with you any more information that I want to share with you as well, and if you want to know more information and get to know me, my Facebook page is down below in the description as well. Pop on over, say hello, let's have a conversation. Don't forget to like and comment and share my video as well, and subscribe to my channel, because I have many more videos of tips and strategies online marketing I want to share as well, to give value on a daily basis too. And don't forget to click the link below to the bell when you get the next notification of my next video too. So that being said, my lovely friends, I hope you're having an awesome day or afternoon or morning, or wherever you may be. Keep rocking, you entrepreneurs. I love you all. I will talk to you soon in the next video. Tips and strategies, online marketing. See you on the other side to success, my lovely entrepreneurs. Bye.